Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. You wonderful creative beings all over the world. I wish you a wonderful, happy day. And have I told you ever that when you do that, you cannot be unhappy? Try it out. Are you sometimes struggling with paintings and you say, oh my god, this looks so ugly. Everybody is painting better than me. For most, when you are in some seminars to learn painting and see the others are painting, I want to tell you, dear friend, this is quite normal. Because our mind is every time is outside. Our mind is never inside of us, and it will also never say you are the best. But you are the best. And I tell you why. Maybe you will not understand, but you are the best. Because when you paint, and you do not paint, when your soul is painting, then it is on one hand that you give all the responsibility of painting that painting to your soul, and when it's good, then it's your soul. And when it's not good, it wasn't you. And your soul has so much capacity that it will be the best painting ever. Because when you are painting, and when you are in the moment, in the present, with your soul all the time, it will have so much power, that painting, that it doesn't matter what is on the painting, because it's your power, your soul power, which is to be felt on the painting. And so it's the best. It's so easy. And you can be very relaxed because you are not painting. The painting is through you. Dearest creative souls, dearest creative beings. I wish you a wonderful, 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 happy day ahead, and I wish you wonderful paintings produced by your soul.